Hi guys, welcome back to my Kuwait survival day 40. Guys, I finished my breakfast, ironed my clothes, and now I have left for duty. First, I need to walk to the bus stop. So I have around 1500 steps to complete. Let's go, guys. While I was taking the video, an Egyptian guy started laughing loudly and saying, "Camera, camera." Anyway, let's ignore these kinds of things and keep moving forward. Guys, this street looks a little dirty today. You can see all these plastic wastes here. Last time I showed you this place, and now it has become even bigger. God knows when they are going to clean this area. Anyway, let's move on, guys. Guys, now I reached Shark. I took the 21 number bus till Malia, and from Malia I took the 15 number bus. I'll get down near Asima Mall. Guys, I reached Shark, and today also I'm going to skip my walking workout. I'm planning to restart my fitness journey from next week. So hopefully I can get back into my routine and stay consistent. Now let's go to duty, guys. Guys, now I reach near the business towers. I came walking all the way from Asima Mall and finally I reached near the business towers. Guys, look at this city. It looks really beautiful. And compared to yesterday, the heat has reduced a little bit today. Yesterday, I saw some news saying that summer has reached its final stage. Hopefully, we'll start getting some rain soon. I'm really tired of this hot weather and the strong sun, guys. I'm showing you the view from the elevator area. Anyway, let's finish our duty as soon as possible and go back home. Let's get inside and start our journey. The bus is a little crowded today, as usual. During this time, many people are returning from their work, so the buses can get busy. I managed to get inside and now I'm just going to relax and enjoy the journey. Guys, while traveling by bus, you can see the streets of Kuwait changing from one area to another. Some places are very busy, while some roads are comparatively quiet. I really enjoy looking outside the window during the bus journey. Even though I travel through these roads almost every day, sometimes I still notice something new. The buildings, roads, shops, cars, and people all make the journey interesting. This has become part of my daily Kuwait life. Guys, today also I'm thinking about my fitness journey. I've been planning to restart properly from next week. I want to become more active, walk more, and take better care of my fitness. But for now, after finishing duty, I just want to reach home safely. Guys, the bus is moving through Malia now. This area is always busy, especially in the evening. You can see people waiting for buses, cars moving everywhere, and shops getting busy. From here, I need to continue towards Khaitan. Guys, finally we are getting closer to Khaitan. I'm really tired today, but at least the journey is almost finished. And once again, there is still no salary today. They told us tomorrow, so let's hope everything gets sorted out tomorrow. It has been stressful waiting for the salary, but hopefully things will become normal soon. Guys, finally I reached Malia. Now I need to continue my journey towards Khaitan. After traveling by bus for some time, finally I'm getting closer to home. So guys, this is another normal day in my Kuwait life. Duty, buses, walking, waiting, and finally going back to my room. Let's continue the journey, guys. Guys, I reached Mali. Today I also had an invitation from a gold jewelry shop and they gave me a gift voucher. It was a nice little surprise. Anyway, now let's continue our journey back home. Guys, finally I reached Khaitan. Now I'm walking in front of Khaitan police station and heading towards my room. Guys, look at this car. What happened to the driver? The car is completely smashed. I really hope the driver is okay. Seeing accidents like this reminds us that we should always be careful while driving. Anyway guys, I'm almost back to my room. Thank you so much for watching Kuwait Survival Day 40. If you enjoyed the vlog, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye guys!